How to automate Google Ads campaigns using AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way businesses manage their Google Ads campaigns, making it easier to optimize and scale advertising efforts. In this video, we'll explore how AI can streamline your Google Ads strategy for better results. First, AI tools can automate bid adjustments. By analyzing historical data, AI can predict which bids are most likely to achieve your desired outcomes, saving you time and improving your return on investment. This ensures your ads are seen by the right people at the right time. Next, AI can optimize ad copy and creative elements. Advanced tools can test different versions of your ads, identifying which combinations of headlines, descriptions, and visuals perform best. This continuous testing and improvement boost your ad relevancy and click-through rates. Another powerful use of AI in Google Ads is audience targeting. AI can segment your audience based on behavior, demographics, and interests, allowing you to tailor your ad content to specific groups, leading to higher engagement and conversions. Additionally, AI can automate the reporting and analysis process. By using machine learning, AI tools can sift through vast amounts of data to provide insights on performance trends, enabling you to make data-driven decisions without spending hours on manual analysis. Finally, AI tools can simplify budget management. With predictive analytics, AI can forecast spending needs and suggest budget adjustments for different campaigns, helping you allocate your advertising budget more efficiently. By leveraging AI in your Google Ads campaigns, you can increase efficiency, maximize ROI, and focus on strategic tasks rather than the manual details of ad management. Make sure to explore available AI tools and platforms to suit your business needs. If this video helped you understand how to automate your Google Ads campaigns using AI, please hit the like button and subscribe.